Polymer Satin Varnish, MM28. What does it do? How do you use it? We're going to find out now. The polymer varnishes are acrylic varnishes. They are permanent, they are archival, they won't yellow, they will remain flexible. The polymer varnishes are an acrylic varnish. They're probably the most versatile, not just varnish, but medium, to reduce the intensity of colour down for photo image transfer, for sizing, for gold leaf. There are a multitude of different things you can use the polymer varnishes for. When using the polymer varnishes as a varnish, you need to add generally about 10% clean water to them because they are made a little thicker to do some of those other things. And when varnishing with the polymer varnishes, with the satin or the matte, I would advise at least 3 coats to make sure you have that even sheen all the way across the work. As you build those coats up though, you will reach the critical level you need and that will even the sheen out.